Welcome back to DTIT. My name is Dave. DTIT is a place where a new user or a student or someone new to IT can find help for common IT issues. Today we're going to be dealing with how to run a virus scan on a Windows 11 operating system. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to be hitting your Start button or your Windows button. That's that blue square that has four smaller squares inside of it. You'll left click, that's standard click, on your Start button. Okay, once you've hit your Start button, you'll get a console screen that looks like this. This is your Start menu, and you have applications or programs that's saved to that for an easier access. What you're going to be looking for is Settings. Okay, as you can see, we have found settings. It's selected, and it's just going to be a standard left click. Okay, now we're inside the settings. The next thing we'll be looking for is privacy and security because running the virus scan is in the security section. So look for privacy and security. Okay, and as you can see, we found privacy and security over on the left-hand side of that list. You're going to be a standard click, left click on your mouse. Okay, we are now inside privacy and security. And at the very top of your list, you see Windows security. That is going to be the one that we're going to want to go into. Okay, so now we're inside Windows security. And the very first thing on our list is virus and threat protection. We're going to go inside that. So you're going to do standard left click to get inside there so we can run this scan. Okay, so now we're ready to run this scan. We're inside virus and threat protection. As you can see here, it says under current threats that it has that little green icon there. That means that we're all caught up. There's no current threats that's needing to scan or attention. If the scan hasn't been run in a while, you may see a yellow triangle with an exclamation point in it. But for training purposes, we're going to run the scan again anyway. So as you see here where it says quick scan, where the arrow is pointing, you're going to click on that and it's going to begin the scan. Okay, this is just a slide to show you that the scan is in progress, a quick scan running. It says right underneath current threats. And the bar above that is the status bar showing about how much of time that you have left or the amount of scan that has left to go. Once the scan is complete, you'll get a notification in a couple ways, but we'll cover that next slide. Okay, first off, we're going to look at the section that we have been working in where it says current threats. And underneath there, you'll see the results of our scan. There's no current threats, and it gives you the date and the time, the last time you ran it, and if it found any threats at all. That is the main place that you'll see. But in Windows 11, you'll also get a notification from your notifications section. That's that area in the bottom right of the taskbar. The notifications box on this slide shows empty. I could not get to record that fast enough before that went away. But as you see where it says notifications, it'll just again tell you that a scan was run and no threats were detected in that section just above where the arrow is pointing. And that's just a second notification, but where it says current threats where we've been working, that's the main place. As long as you see it there, that's fine. Okay, well, I thank you for stopping by DTIT today. I hope that you found this video helpful. Today we were dealing with how to run a virus scan using Windows 11. So I have more videos to come in the future, and there's other videos like this that can help you out with common IT issues already on YouTube. Just go to DTIT and you'll find us. Have a good day.